Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too could be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out on that $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, let's get started. Make sure you guys come over here, like and retweet all this. I'm sorry about the last video, my bad. My computer did an update and I didn't notice that the mic didn't update correctly. So I was there talking to nobody and I put a video out that didn't have no sound. So my bad on that one. But right now we're going to come to this Twitter. I need you guys to come hit this up with likes. Make sure the bell notification is lit up. I got to keep making sure mine's is lit up. We got Austin Hilton, so now we're getting some of this notoriety that we deserve. And I'm sure this is a good video. Make sure you guys like and retweet this video. It has to do with Shinobi. We got Your Pop, so the big names are starting to come in and roll into Shinobi. And they got a lot more followers and subscribers than I do. So these people are definitely going to bring in a lot of new investors, considering that with these are catalysts in themselves, considering with Hotbit listing and all that. This buy right here for 115 ETH is nothing. I just seen one in the Telegram for over $600,000, over $500,000. So come over here, like and retweet all these things that you see that have to do with Shinobi. Do not miss out on this right here. Rampage Jackson says 24-hour buy contest. This is crazy. Any buy from 11:52 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern time tomorrow has a chance to win not one but two $25,000 prizes. Doesn't say a minimum buy, so it seems like anybody can get in this. Make sure you do your due diligence. Go into the Telegram, ask some questions, and find out and do these buys because, you know, of course it's not financial advice, but it gives you a chance to win up to $50,000. Here we got your man, Your Pop right here. Oh my God, oh my goodness. SHINJA is not slowing down. Let's go. We're not going to slow down. We have no plans on slowing down. This is years down the road. I'm not selling none of my SHINJA whatsoever. We got this catalyst that you guys know that I dropped in a video right away last night. I was in the AMA. That's why I want you guys in these AMAs. So like that, you guys don't have to even wait for a YouTuber to drop a video. Granted, I heard that we were getting listed and we were approved on SideMask, so I left the AMA right away and I dropped the video as fast as I can to let you guys know these things that are happening. That's why you guys don't want to miss out on having that bell notification lit up. And also do not miss out on that money bag alert. You would have got in on Shinobi. I've been dropping this since the beginning, since the inception of Shinobi. Just check out my other Shinobi videos. You guys see that I've been rocking with them since the very beginning, since week 1. Okay, so we got a Lambo wrapped in Shinobi, which is amazing. I mean, we got a QR code people can scan, and I mean, this thing's going to be calling a lot of attention. This is catalyst as well. And of course, I just want you guys to come over here. Us hitting that 1 billion market cap is amazing and holding it strong. Make sure you guys come over here, like and retweet all this stuff for me and for the rest of the SHINJA clan. This is what we're on right now. Okay, so let's move on to the and we're going to go to a Hotbit at the end, so stay tuned to the very end of the video. And I'm going to be explaining these crazy looking wicks right here. This is because of the Hotbit. And, you know, I'm a day trader by trade, and I started doing crypto in 2017. This right here, you cannot get in on these buy opportunities. This right here, these wicks that are shooting down like that, it's not going to happen, okay? This right now is happening. Notice that it only started happening after the launch. So on my last video, I thought that we would hold. You guys know that I'm bullish on SHINJA, so I'm optimistic. I want us to keep going up. We didn't hold that middle Bollinger line. We have these wicks. This is after the listing. When you guys see these wicks bust down like this, those who are stock traders who've traded on the NASDAQ, who have broker accounts, mine's is on Lightspeed. I actually like using Sterling Pro better. But nevertheless, when you have these brokers, they have options where you can pay for tape 2. And the tape is basically this right over here. We'll go over here to Hotbit real quick since we have one of those candles pop up right when we're doing a video. So this is the tape down here, okay? These are the order books and this is the tape. And usually what I would do is when you see the tape flash red like that, you would have that wick come down like we saw over here, right? When you see something like that break through the Bollinger line, like this one right here is a better example, past the Bollinger line, past the VWAP line, and also it being oversold or starting to be oversold, those are good buy opportunities. Right now, this is the 15-minute chart. This is happening. These are somewhat, in a way, you can call them glitches because this Hotbit listing, this thing's going crazy. We are up over 500% earlier, so we're having some pullback right now, and that's why this is going crazy right now. We can't even get, we might be breaking Hotbit, to be honest with you. I don't want no new investors that are part of the Shinobi clan that see that sees this over here and start to panic, okay? Because I know this is not something that we're used to. This is before the listing, and I believe these are buying positions coming in. And what I tell you, look at that, boom, it's going to go right back up. We are going to kill that all-time high right now. And what I was saying is, when you see that tape flash like that, for a day trader, I was not a swing trader. I was a day trader, okay? So that means from the markets open at 9:30, at 10, at 11, sometimes even at 10, a half hour later, because I had where I could buy pre-market. If you pay if you have a $25,000 or more account, you get to trade more than 3 trades a week, avoiding the PDT rule. And also, if you got the right broker, you can do pre-trades. So I was pre-market trading, and sometimes I could finish. Markets are open at 9:30. I could finish at 10, 10:30, but average about noon, right? And by noon, I would have all my money off the table. That's a day trader. And a day trader will notice something like this, these wicks. That's what's happening right now over here. I wish this would load up. Okay, there we go. So we got this loading up. So these are these times that those wicks pulled back. And this is another time that wick pulled back. That tape lit up red. If somebody paid extra and got tape 2, it will show you some of the hidden trades, because not all the books, not all the orders are being shown right here. There are hidden orders and stuff. Some brokers allow people to hide their orders if you pay more like that. I know my Lightspeed account does do that. So you can hide your orders where you would have an order placed and it would not show up on the order book, okay? Now, that's not something that we really have to worry about in crypto, and not something that we would have to worry about in the future. But if you're using Hotbit and you're interested in those type of things, definitely tap into my money bag alerts. My technical analysis course is half off. So is the NFT course if you get in on the money bag alerts. The money bag alerts is $30 a month. It's not going to make or break it nobody. It's just to get some of your attention, because you know, when you buy something, you pay for something, you're more willing to want to learn compared to getting something for free that you can probably just brush off like it's nothing. But when you pay for something, you really want to get your worth out of it. So that's what the $30 is for. And also the opportunity to get those money bag alerts, which are going to be very, very the technical analysis course half off, which will be very lucrative. And the money bag alerts will pay for all that. They sure will. Okay, so we have this pullback right here. We're not going to really acknowledge these because I know that this is happening because of Hotbit. Anybody that's a day trader knows exactly what I'm talking about. These are orders that were placed down here, and the price shoots and all those orders get filled instantly. So unless you had orders filled down there, which we cannot do on here, that would not happen. So for the new investors that have not seen these type of motions in Shinobi, which we have not, these are brand new. And let's just notice that they're happening while we got listed on Hotbit. So there's nothing to worry about. There's not people dumping on us or nothing. That's just how markets work, and these orders are getting filled up really quick. So so right now the price is trying to consolidate itself and find a middle, and we have the contract doing buys to help with that. That's what you see right here. These are the contracts being bought, and to help get the price stable, so like that it'll match eventually. Okay, so that's what's going on. We have our all-time high at 28.32, which you guys can lean right up and kiss it goodbye, because it's going to be gone. This is our support that we just made right now on 25.75, which in the video I had stated that we were going to go to, but there was no sound, so we don't got no proof of that. So we're just going to move on from that, and we're right here. We're going to mark our higher lows for sure. That's what we've been making since we came right here, right? The whole time we basically, this is a little bit ugly. We're riding that VWAP line. Once we come underneath here, boom, we're going higher lows again. We found that support on that Bollinger line. That's how you use that line. It helps out a lot. Okay, so, and then we got, again, we rocked up. We hit an all-time high, right? We pulled right back down. This is natural right here on this line. This is natural. This is a higher low, right? This is still, even this one right here, the body of the candle is higher than the last one. But we're gonna measure it up here. This is a higher low. I know that these pullbacks are gonna be looking weird for a little bit to the price fixes and with this Hotbit and everything like that. But this is our higher low on that support, and we're gonna respect it on this line. And the reason we're respecting this line right here is because this is where the price got rejected before. You guys know when we draw this like so, this arrow like that, we always end up finding support there later on, and we'll do the same thing once we break past our all-time high. We'll find support there again. That's healthy movement. We're going to keep pushing up. With Hotbit having us over 300 something percent up, yeah, we're not listed on Binance, but believe me when I tell you, a lot of people who trade on Binance, I've been trading on Binance since 2017, own Hotbit accounts like I do too. So just because we're not listed on Binance, do not think that people from Binance will not start to come over to Hotbit just to get in on SHINJA. we all know what's going on. Everybody on Binance knows about these tokens as well, knows about meme coins, knows about the ETH side of tokens, everything. We're well aware of what's going on. So those who can't buy off of Binance, they're going to switch over and they're going to use their Hotbit accounts, and that's going to send the price. Whenever I've seen something get listed on a Hotbit account or Binance and it's at 300 something percent, 400%, wait till everybody gets off of work and we start to get some buying pressure for real. We'll see this at 1,000% up. I mean, the FOMO will start to pour in very, very fast. Okay, so we got make sure everything's liked and retweeted. And right now we got that support right here. We got the support we're identifying at 25.75, right in that range, 25.67, right? And the reason we're doing that, we're respecting it from over here because it's safer to do that. This candle's looking crazy. So is the green candle as well. But we got the Mktg showing us that we're going back. We got the crosses on the bottom, and this is a 15-minute chart. Let's layer it. We got the volume to do this right now. Our trading is happening very, very fast, so we can layer this up just to see what's going on, just to see which way the we're starting to curl back up. So we are curling back up. I like to look at the hour charts, 15-minute chart. There goes that ugly candle, is gone. On the 5-minute chart, we'll see. Look at that. That's, like I said, those are like glitches happening on DEX tools. We're literally breaking DEX tools. So do not trust those candles that are breaking down like that, just very crazy like that. Those are not ones to trust. Just keep an eye on our chart like that. This is the prices trying to fix themselves right now. I see us finding support right here on this 25.75. I'm still standing on that, and then we're going to rock right back up to break the all-time high. Can we erase the zero? Yes, I do believe that Shinobi has what it takes to erase the zero. All these catalysts, all these YouTubers with bigger names than mine, they've been doing this a lot longer. They're starting to join the Shinobi. I was lucky and blessed enough to get in on Shinobi from the very beginning. Go watch the rest of the Shinobi videos. You will see our journey along this path as we've been growing all the way, and all the catalysts that we have. I highly advise that you guys go check that out. Another shout out to Daniel Moncada from Breaking Bad. You know, that's pretty cool that he retweeted my video, followed me. I mean, very humble guy. And just amazing, you know. I seen what he did to your pop and got your pop, and you know, his lady all crazy about it, and it worked, man. These are catalysts that I need you guys in these AMAs, because I seen your pop's attitude and everything change the minute he saw Daniel Moncada was on board, and that's huge. Those are huge celebrities joining up. We got Rampage Jackson, we got more people that's continuing to pour in. More YouTubers are starting to realize and give us the respect that is due, because we earned our respect and we're here to stay. We're not going nowhere, and we're standing on that. There's nothing wrong with that. We earned this, so this is our place to play, and let's have some fun. Shinobi, this is where we're at. We did this. We've been working very, very hard. This is our time to have some fun, enjoy ourselves, you know, look at all the progress that we got to come, you know, with Certic helping us with our blockchain and everything like that, with the Kusadi blockchain. That's going to be amazing. Make sure you guys tap in. I'm on the money bag alerts. Make sure you got that bell notification lit up. You guys will not miss a beat when it comes to anything to do with Shinobi if you guys are following this channel. Thank you guys once again to continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, later.